Hello everybody, we're going to be talking about how to record in a Chromebook. Now some of you all have already done 8.26 and that is totally fine. We're just going to use this as an example. When you come up to the start of any video response or video recording assignment, it'll say start assignment at the top. So you click start assignment. It'll bring you down towards the bottom where the inputs are. You want to find the one that says media, click this word media, and then click on the word upload record media. When that happens, it'll bring up your beautiful face. Keep that on. We want to see what's going on. Remember, if we're doing videos, you need to make sure you put your position of your camera somewhere where I can see most of your instrument and most of your face, and even your posture. I can zoom in and enhance the video, so don't be afraid of putting it kind of far back. Now, with that said, one thing that you're seeing as I'm talking here is the peaking of my voice. Now, if I were to play an instrument or even to sing, da, it's pretty loud and it's almost getting towards the top. What I would do to fix that, if I saw that I was peaking the microphone, let's say it was getting all the way up here towards the top, I would come down here to the right hand corner, I would click on the arrow, and then I would pull down this volume slider for the microphone. You can notice that my voice is now softer than it was in the beginning of the video, and that's on purpose so that I don't overdrive the microphone when I go to record my instrument. And again, to do that, you're going to click on your timer, your clock button down here, the arrow, and then mess with those recording settings. If you have a headset mic on your device, make sure you have chosen the correct microphone when you have that headset plugged in combo headphone jack. You can do that by clicking on this button. Sometimes the screen will hide what it allows you to see. You might have to drag it upwards and you might see multiple options right there. So here's a test recording for you. So you'll hit start recording, you'll get ready to do your video. Make sure you have your sheet music up on a different tab so that you can, for instance, if you have your sheet music on a different tab, you have it open here. Pretend this is your sheet music. You'll hit start recording, grab your instrument, and then play, blah, 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 playing, playing, playing. I'm done. I come back over here. I hit the word finish. It shows me, oh, look at my awesome face. I'm making the best face ever. And then I hit play, and then play, blah, 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 blah. Play. Okay, it obviously recorded me. I like the way that it sounds. I'm not overdriving the microphone. You will hit the word save media. Now this is where people get in trouble sometimes. They will end up hitting the save media button and they will get very sad because it will not upload fast enough for them. They'll sit there and be spamming the save button over and over again. Don't do that. Just let it do its magic. Click it once. Might take a minute. It might take 5 minutes, depending on your internet upload speed and that time of day for Canvas. Once it is in, though, once it comes to this page, then you are ready to hit the Submit Assignment button. Make sure that you click that button before you leave this page. If you do not hit Submit Assignment, you have not turned anything into me. Once that is done, it will say Assignment Successfully Submitted. That is how you record audio or video inside of a Canvas assignment on a Chromebook.